Okay, so we're here on an install, and I just wanted to show you this is what we would call a rough window opening. It's the opening, the hole in your house where a window gets installed. And here we see the 2x6 construction. We've got our exterior sheathing. There's some moisture barrier back here and some drywall on the inside. This is what your opening looks like. We're gonna shim the window in place, get it all level, square, and plumb, put it in here, and then they actually insulate between the window frame, or what we call the jamb extensions, and this 2x6 space. Most homes that we're replacing windows in had either no insulation around the window or maybe just some pink fiberglass insulation put in there. What we do is we put a low expanding foam in there that helps anchor the window in place, and it really helps with sound, moisture, and insect infiltration as well. A window's only as good as the installation, and so we have to really be mindful about this. We're also going to put a flashing system in here so that if any water would ever get into this window opening, it's going to shed to the exterior of the home. Also a very important component of any window installation project.